Model 2020 Peugeot Boxer 2.2 335 BlueHDi 140S and S6 SPEED Pro L3H2 body, white, panel van mileage, 68707 engine, 2179 cc DW12 BlueHDi 140 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a misfire. Needs injector number 1 replacing, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, aircon, electric windows, parking sensors, sat-nav EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £9,850. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.